How do pop-up matcha drink stands make pink matcha drinks? They usually make them with bright pink fruit syrup or puree, milk, ice, and a separate layer of whisked green matcha. The pink color usually comes from strawberry, raspberry, dragon fruit, or beet-based syrup rather than from the matcha itself. First, the stand puts a small amount of fruit puree or syrup into a clear cup, often with a little lemon juice to make the flavor brighter. Next, they add milk, such as dairy milk, oat milk, or coconut milk, which creates a soft pink color when it mixes with the fruit. Ice is added to keep the drink cold and help the colors stay separated. The matcha is made by sifting powdered green tea, adding a small amount of warm water, and whisking it until it becomes smooth and slightly foamy. The water should be warm but not boiling, because very hot water can make matcha taste bitter. The matcha is then slowly poured over the milk, creating the green top and pink bottom that people often see in videos. A lesser-known trick is to pour the matcha over the back of a spoon, which slows the flow and makes the layers look sharper. To make one at home, use 1 teaspoon of matcha, 2 ounces of warm water, 6 to 8 ounces of milk, ice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fruit syrup. A common mistake is using boiling water, so keep it warm instead, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Another mistake is adding too much syrup, which can hide the matcha flavor, so start with a small amount and add more after tasting. Some people also expect the drink to stay layered forever, but the colors naturally blend as the ice melts or the cup is moved, so pour the matcha last and serve it right away. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.